7-seat BMW X5. It's the M Sport 30D xDrive with full BMW service history. It's only done 30,000 miles on a 73 registration, meaning you have BMW warranty till the latter part of 2026. Now, not only is it a 7-seater, it's got features like the Sky Lounge, electric tow bar, comfort and travel pack as well. So this is a fantastically well-spec'd BMW X5, and they're actually very rare to get in a 7-seater. So it gives you that extra option to carry those extra passengers, but then all the other features that I've just mentioned, including with being the facelift, so the new xDrive 8 curve system, which I'll show you in a second. The paintwork is mineral white, so it's mineral white metallic, beautiful colour. Then all the accents are gloss black. Front bumper, rear diffuser. You've also got the upgraded 20-inch wheels in gloss black as well. Sky Lounge is a very important piece of spec on any X5, makes them a lot more attractive when it comes to selling. We sell them far quicker when they have a Sky Lounge. This one has it. It's also got upgraded leather as well, so quilted black leather opposed to the standard, I don't want to call it flat leather, but like the plain grain. When if you have a look in the back, so the travel and comfort pack gives you extra USB chargers, holders for tablets and whatnot. If you have smaller children, they will come in very handy. Obviously the 2 seats in the back, I'll show you in a second. Privacy glass, and I like the way that these cars look. With it being the xDrive 8, you're obviously looking at the facelifted version. The majority of that is on the interior, which was a good change, so I'll show you that in a second. Now the good thing with the X5 for me is, as much as it's a 7-seater, you don't have to drive a massive car to be able to have the option of carrying those extra passengers. You've still got a good boot space. If you want to put those seats down and use it as a 5-seater, 6-seater, then you can do. The electric tow bar, I'll quickly show you that. Now BMW do make a very good deployable tow bar. It's going to save you money, time, and look how easy that was. That you press the button, tow bar comes out. So if you've had a detachable in the past, you'll have an understanding of how awkward it is, and you'll probably looked at people in envy who have a deployable tow bar. This one has that as well. xDrive 8 system, which I mentioned earlier, so curved display, but then you've also got heads-up display, which will bring up things like traffic sign recognition as well. Now, from the driver's point of view, the 30D for me is a fantastic engine. Great on fuel, plenty of power, very refined, and BMW do make a very good engine. As standard on this model, it comes with features like air suspension, which you can control from here, so heighten it, lower it if you need to. This display for me is probably one of the best that's out there as far as ease of use. Climate control, everything is in this section. Climate control, navigation, you pop it into reverse, your camera systems, they all come up on there as well. Heads-up display I've mentioned, but you now should be able to see it. And then you've got your digital display at the back as well. So cracking car. The big selling point in this for me is the fact it's a 7-seater, because they're very rare. Not everyone wants to have to go up to an X5 and pay that an X7, sorry, and pay that sort of money for a 7-seater. X5, 7 seats, facelifted model with features like Harman, Kardon, sliding roof, memory. So you've got a cracking spec car, good colour combination with mineral white and gloss black, and we have priced it exactly where it should be. So priced very keenly. I'm sure it won't last long because they're very, very hard to come by. And if you are searching for a 7-seater, you'll know how very few are around. This one is going live. Any questions about how you can fund it, buy it, you may have a part exchange or you might just want to buy it outright, then feel free to contact me direct on my mobile number. My name is Paddy, and I look forward to speaking to you.